Welcome everybody. Today we're going to be going over the issue with the radio button on a 2006 to 2009 Lr3 or Range Rover Sport. Basically, the issue is the radio buttons, any type of button, will come loose. Will just not push down, will just be stuck in this position. So you can't really do anything. And the issue is these white pieces. So that little white piece right there, these guys basically break off. They get very brittle after they age a few years. And so basically what we've done here is we stuck a pen cap instead of the button. I'll show you basically how I did that. That's one. All right. So you get the button out. All right, so now you can see that I've actually put a hole in there. Now, what I did was I took a little screwdriver. So I took this little guy, just kind of bored out the hole. Now you can use a drill bit, but you really don't need to. You just want to kind of bend the plastic up. And the way you make sure you get the right size, oh, you just throw shit around now. You just get the right size is by matching up the end of the pen piece that you cut off of an ink, like plastic pen. So like this guy right here. So I just cut it off, and yeah, it's just a regular big pen, but I just cut it off and I matched it to whatever I used to bore out the hole. So I'll get it all together and show you guys what it looks like in just a sec here. All right, so it's all put together. So that's the button we fixed. This is the button that was always working, just for a comparison. So yeah, I mean, it works. Functionality is there. So this is what it would look like if it didn't work. It's just not clipped on all the way. All right, so that's how you fix it. But when you first begin this job and you want to take it off, you're gonna want to take the top panel out. So you're gonna want to unscrew all the little screws in the top, and then there's gonna be these little connectors right here, and you're just gonna pull it out. So right, they go right here. You just pull it out. There's two of them. And that's the easiest way. That way you're not messing with the cables in the front. And then yeah, and then you're gonna want to just unclip. So there's little clips here. I clip onto this guy right here. And it just clips on the bottom. All right, now I'll show you how to remove these guys and put them back together. So it's an unclip. That's one. That's two. Now we can just pull it out. And when we go back to insert it, make sure she's fully seated. All right, then just take a peek, make sure everything's all connected. So I hope this helps you guys, and yeah, feel free to leave any comments or questions below, and thank you.